Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus 12R to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Then decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!